Hi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will demonstrate a manufacturing document management system integrated with Excel VBA macro and Node-RED for managing manufacturing documents, especially standardized work documents. Standardized work documents are usually created by supervisors or managers. In this concept, the documents are created in Microsoft Excel using VBA macro. I use a Node-RED instance hosted on a FlowFuse server, which acts as a REST API server. The VBA macro uploads the document through REST API communication using HTTP POST requests. Next, Node-RED receives the document data sent from the VBA macro, including the image file, and then stores the document record in the PostgreSQL database. The document preview is also stored in FlowFuse storage in image format. Next, I also created another Node-RED instance as a dashboard for displaying documents, as well as handling configuration and editing. This dashboard can be used by operators, and the required document can be displayed by scanning a barcode or QR code. Now, let's take a deeper look at the system. We will start with the VBA macro used to create the documents. In this Excel file, there is one example document called a standardized work sequence. You can also copy other document formats into this file for upload. Make sure the print area is properly configured so the document can be converted into an image file. There are two main features in this Excel VBA macro. The first feature is Save Document. This feature is used to save the selected sheet as a new workbook without macros, making the document cleaner, lighter, and safer to distribute or share with operators and production teams. The second feature is Upload Document. When the Upload Document button on the ribbon command is clicked, a user form will appear to allow the user to enter document-related information before uploading the document to the server. In this user form, the user can select the process, sub-process, and document type. The system also supports product selection, document numbering, effective date configuration, and additional notes for the document. To simplify document creation, there is also a feature called Load from Previous Document, which allows users to load data from an existing document as a reference or template for creating a new one. After all required information has been completed, the document can be uploaded directly through the REST API connection to the Node-RED server. The system will automatically register the document data into the PostgreSQL database and store the document preview image in the server storage. After the upload process is completed, let's check the Node-RED dashboard for document viewing. In the Scan section, enter or scan the barcode that was assigned during the upload process. The dashboard will then automatically display the corresponding document with the latest effective date. If needed, full screen mode can be enabled to display the document in a larger and clearer view for operators. When the document image is clicked, the system will open the actual document file location directly from the server storage. Next, in the Node-RED dashboard, there is a configuration page that can only be accessed and edited by admin users. On this page, administrators can manage the master data used for document creation and document management. For example, admins can add new processes, edit existing process data, manage sub-processes, document types, product information, and other related configuration data. This configuration system helps ensure that all documents follow a standardized structure and naming convention across the manufacturing process. It also reduces manual input errors and makes the document creation workflow more organized and consistent. In addition, because the system is centralized in Node-RED and PostgreSQL, any updates made in the configuration page will automatically be reflected in the VBA macro document creator. This allows supervisors and managers to always use the latest master data without needing to manually update the Excel file. With this approach, the entire document management workflow becomes more integrated, scalable, and easier to maintain for manufacturing operations. There is also another page on the dashboard called View Document List. On this page, users can view all documents that have been uploaded to the system based on their document number. The dashboard also provides filtering features, allowing users to search documents by process or document type to make document retrieval faster and more efficient. When a row in the table is clicked, a pop-up window will appear displaying the related document with the latest effective date. This ensures that operators and users always view the most up-to-date version of the document. If users want to view previous revisions or older versions of the same document number, they can simply select a different effective date. The document image preview will then automatically update according to the selected version. This feature makes document tracking and revision management much easier, especially in manufacturing environments where document version control is very important. Now, let's go back to the View Document page. On this page, users can display documents based on the assigned barcode or QR code. Operators simply need to scan the barcode or QR code, and the document preview will automatically appear on the dashboard. To improve usability in the production environment, the text box is always kept in focus automatically. This allows operators to continuously scan barcodes without needing to use the mouse or manually click the input field each time. This approach makes the document retrieval process faster, more practical, and more efficient for daily manufacturing operations. In addition to barcode scanning, operators can also select documents manually using the Browse button. When the button is clicked, a list of uploaded documents will appear on the dashboard. Users can search for specific documents using the search feature to quickly find the required document. Once a document in the table is selected, the corresponding document preview will be displayed automatically. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the manufacturing document management system. By integrating Excel VBA macro, Node-RED, PostgreSQL, and barcode-based document retrieval, this system helps make document management more digital, efficient, and standardized for manufacturing operations. Don't forget to like and share. See you in the next video.